Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can change the quantity of a product you have on your Shopify store. So let's get right into it. As you can see, currently I'm on my dashboard, and while I'm here, I'm going to go into products over in the menu to the left. As you can see, you have a couple of different options over here, but it will open up your main product menu over here. And as you can see, I have one item here, which is called test item, and which has currently 20 of these units in stock. So if I click on it, I can then go ahead and edit it. And as you can see, this is the edit page, and you can make edits as you wish. But what you want to do is go down. If you already have an existing item, go to quantity, and as you can see location, and you have shop location, and you can change the quantity of unavailable, committed, available, and on hand. So for example, if I changed the available ones, I can add a new quantity. So for example, 25, and reason can be correction, count, received, depends on what you want to add. You can adjust the variable or move to unavailable, do whatever you want, and then once you're done, just click save. And as you can see, the available and on hand has been changed, but you can also change the on hand, and that will change independently, or I rather thought it would change independently from available, but it is what it is. As you can see, that is how you change your amount of your product. And yeah, that's pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.